The bathroom is one of the most essential spaces in your home, but it can also pose some of the greatest risks, particularly for seniors or those with mobility challenges. Traditional bathtubs, with their high sides and slippery surfaces, can be dangerous and difficult to navigate. For homeowners in Foley, Walk-In Tub Installation offers a solution that enhances both bathroom safety and comfort, allowing individuals to bathe independently and securely. A walk-in tub is designed with accessibility and ease in mind, providing an ideal bathing experience for those looking to maintain their independence and enjoy a more relaxing routine. In this article, we'll explore how walk-in tubs improve bathroom safety, comfort, and overall well-being for individuals in Foley. Easy entry and exit for enhanced safety. One of the most significant advantages of walk-in tubs is their low entry threshold. Traditional bathtubs require users to lift their legs over a high edge, which can be difficult and dangerous for those with limited mobility, arthritis, or balance issues. A walk-in tub, however, is designed with a door that swings open, allowing users to step into the tub with ease, eliminating the need to step over a barrier. This easy entry design makes walk-in tubs a safer option for seniors and those with mobility challenges in Foley, where maintaining independence is a priority. The risk of tripping or falling when entering or exiting the tub is significantly reduced, promoting a safer bathing experience. With a walk-in tub, users can bathe independently without the need for assistance, improving both comfort and confidence. Slip-resistant flooring for added security. Slippery bathroom floors are a common cause of falls, especially in a wet environment like a bathtub. Walk-in tubs are equipped with slip-resistant flooring that provides added traction, even when the surface is wet. This feature is particularly important for seniors or individuals with mobility challenges, as it helps prevent slipping while getting in and out of the tub, as well as during the bathing process itself. The slip-resistant flooring in walk-in tubs ensures that individuals can safely move around in the tub without worrying about losing their footing. For Foley homeowners who want a secure and safe bathing environment, this feature is a key benefit that adds an extra layer of protection. Comfortable and therapeutic features. In addition to improving safety, walk-in tubs are designed to enhance comfort and provide therapeutic benefits. Many walk-in tubs come equipped with features like hydrotherapy jets, air massage systems, and heated seats, which are ideal for soothing tired muscles, relieving joint pain, and improving circulation. For seniors in Foley, where conditions like arthritis or fibromyalgia are common, the therapeutic benefits of a walk-in tub are especially valuable. The warm water combined with massaging jets offers relief from pain and stiffness, making bath time not only safer but also a deeply relaxing and healing experience. Hydrotherapy can also help improve flexibility, reduce inflammation, and promote relaxation, turning your bathroom into a personal spa. These therapeutic features offer more than just comfort. They also improve overall health and well-being, making walk-in tubs a highly beneficial investment for those seeking both safety and relaxation. Increased independence and privacy. One of the greatest advantages of a walk-in tub is the ability for seniors or individuals with mobility challenges to bathe independently. Traditional bathtubs often require assistance to enter and exit, which can feel frustrating and undermine personal dignity. Walk-in tubs allow individuals to bathe without the need for help, promoting a sense of independence and privacy. In Foley, where aging in place is important for many seniors, having the ability to bathe independently is empowering. A walk-in tub allows users to maintain their dignity and continue with their daily routines without the need for a caregiver. This independence is not only beneficial for the individual's self-esteem but also for caregivers, who can rest assured that the bathing process is safer and more manageable. Low maintenance and long-lasting durability. Walk-in tubs are built with durability and ease of maintenance in mind. Made from high-quality materials like acrylic or fiberglass, these tubs are resistant to cracking, staining, and mold growth, ensuring that they will last for many years with minimal upkeep. Additionally, many walk-in tubs come with built-in features like self-cleaning jets or antimicrobial surfaces, which help reduce the need for constant cleaning. In Foley, where temperatures can fluctuate, walk-in tubs are designed to handle varying climates without compromising performance. The low-maintenance design makes them a great long-term investment, allowing seniors and individuals with mobility challenges to enjoy a safe and comfortable bathing experience with little effort required to maintain the tub's condition. Aesthetic appeal and home value. In addition to their safety and comfort benefits, walk-in tubs can also enhance the aesthetic appeal of your bathroom. Walk-in tubs are available in a range of styles and finishes that can match your bathroom's design, making them a stylish and functional upgrade. Furthermore, walk-in tubs can increase the value of your home, especially if you plan to sell in the future. Accessibility features like a walk-in tub are highly sought after by potential buyers, particularly those with aging relatives or mobility concerns. Installing a walk-in tub in your bathroom is a smart investment that not only improves your daily life but also adds long-term value to your property. Conclusion. Walk-in tubs in Foley offer a range of benefits that significantly improve bathroom safety, comfort, and independence, making them an ideal choice for seniors and individuals with mobility challenges. From easy entry and slip-resistant flooring to therapeutic features and increased privacy, walk-in tubs provide a comprehensive solution that promotes both safety and relaxation. For homeowners in Foley who want to age in place or improve the accessibility of their bathroom, installing a walk-in tub is a smart investment that enhances daily living. Whether you're looking for a safer bathing experience, relief from muscle pain, or simply a more comfortable and dignified way to bathe, a walk-in tub offers the perfect solution. Enjoy a safer, more relaxing, and independent bathing experience today by choosing a walk-in tub for your home.